Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a Band-Aid easily without it hurting. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So let's say you have a Band-Aid and it's on a spot where there's like a little bit of hair, let's say, because that creates some pain, or it's been there for a long time. Sometimes people leave Band-Aids on. Sometimes they have to leave Band-Aids on for a few days, let's say, and the adhesive really sticks to that skin, right? And you want to remove it, but you don't want to have any pain when you remove it. Well, there's this relatively easy method. I'm going to show you how to do it. Then I'll show you about some alternatives. So just for full disclosure, I just put this Band-Aid on. There's no wound under here. I literally just put it on a few minutes ago. But I've used this method many times when I've had a Band-Aid on for a couple days, because I've been in certain situations where I had to leave a Band-Aid on to cover a wound for a couple of days, okay? So essentially, to prevent the pain, what I did was I got some olive oil, and I just got some olive oil over here. You can see just any brand, any type of extra virgin olive oil, any type of olive oil, to be honest with you, will work. And I just put it on a little paper towel, as you can see right here. And what I do is I rub it over the Band-Aid area, okay? And what that's going to do is it's going to start to loosen up the edges. So you really want to rub it all around the Band-Aid area. It's going to start to loosen up the edges. If you can get under the Band-Aid, like let's say I get some olive oil on my fingers, you can see it's all shiny. If you can get under the Band-Aid, look at, like literally, it's crazy how it works, because when the olive oil touches the adhesive, I don't know the science behind it about how it works, but all I know is that I guess it lubricates maybe the adhesive, and it just lubricates the hair under there and the skin. But either way, it basically reduces the pain massively. You don't really experience any pain. I've done this many times and it works really well. And even if you can't get under it because there's a wound under there, let's say, if you could just get it along the edges, so I'll just stick it back down. If I can get it along the edges, right, you could just sort of peel it up. Like, look, I can't even stick it down anymore because of the olive oil. It's like, it won't even stick, right? So basically, as long as you can get that olive oil to touch the edges of the adhesive, it should come off without any pain, okay? Now, alternatively, you can use other types of oil, like you can use baby oil will work, you can use vegetable oil instead, and I've also used shampoo, and it worked really well. So I've also used shampoo, and it worked really well. I haven't tried conditioner. I've read about baby shampoo working as well, but for myself, I've used olive oil and I've used shampoo, and it worked really well. But like I said, I've given you some alternatives as well, and yeah, that's it. You can literally remove it, and it won't even stick anymore. It's not even tacky anymore. With the olive oil, it just makes it so slippery that it won't even stick, and that's basically it. That is how to do it. It's that easy. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.